Not long ago, I attended the 2025 Derry Author Fest in Derry, New Hampshire, at the public library there. The keynote was a former radio host named Laura Canoy, and her talk was about having confidence as a writer. I'd like to pass along some of her wisdom with examples of my own. So, let's turn some pages. Confidence is the belief that you can trust in someone or something, or you have a strong certainty that a goal will be accomplished. This can be learned, but you have to put in the work for it. You also have to have a community, whether it's a team you're working with or a group of like minded people that you can rely on for help or support. For me, that community, for example, consists of events like AuthorFest or the other members of the New Hampshire Writers Project, or even members of the writers group that I founded at work. Let me know in the comments what tricks you have to keep your confidence going, whether it's writing or something else. Part of being confident is allowing yourself to be flexible. If you're not flexible, you may be prone to imposter syndrome, that feeling that you're faking it despite your success. But if you're flexible, you can avoid imposter syndrome by changing your goal, even if the new goal is just slightly to the side of the original goal. To use a non writing example, I, for a long time, wanted to be a trainer at work. But for reasons I won't take the time to get into here, I was never able to get that to happen. But an opportunity came up to actually create classes through a different program at work. I was flexible, and now I have two classes to teach. So I'm an unofficial corporate trainer, just in a slightly different way. Despite that, he can't use the term corporate trainer as an official job title on a resume. Or maybe he can. Let us know down in the comments. You always learn more from failure and rejection than you do from instant success. As a writer, you can't live your life afraid of these things. You have to do what it takes to make your work great. You just have to recognize it won't be easy or happen quickly. There will be setbacks. But don't let failure and rejection stop you. They are teaching you something. Step back, take a look at the big picture, and try to figure out what that lesson is. Take, for example, It Ends With Us writer Colleen Hoover. She got hundreds of rejections for her original manuscript. But after writing and rewriting and keeping up with it and learning those lessons, she ended up with a best selling book turned into theatrical movie. In the end, writing can be a lonely pursuit. It takes confidence to be a successful writer, or even just a working one. But take your time and learn what your real goals are. But be flexible. You never know what opportunities might come up. And use your community. Learn from failure and rejection, and you will be successful. I'll leave links in the description for some writing communities and other sources. Well, that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching. Click here for more writing tips, or please click my face here to subscribe. And as always, keep on reading. We'll see you next time.